What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be doing a super simple install onto the Jeep. I would probably highly recommend doing this on a more luxurious vehicle versus an off-road vehicle. But hey, I kind of made the mistake and purchased these because I thought they looked cool. But now that they're here, I do regret it a little bit. But as I stated, if you have a luxurious vehicle and you're watching this is probably something to get. Let me go ahead and show you right here. As you can tell right here, I got some Jeep door sill protectors that actually light up every time you open up the door. And then whenever you close it, these things do turn off. So I'm probably going to end up taking these off in the future and putting some tufskinz ones or something more rugged for the Jeep. But for now, at least it's protected and it looks good. I'm going to show you just exactly how to install these. I'm going to show you these at night, and then I'll make sure to link it down below if you guys do want to purchase some. As I stated though, this is probably something for a vehicle that's more luxurious. Let's go ahead and show you how it's done and show you these at night. Let's get to it. So inside the package, you're going to get your driver's side and passenger side. You're also going to get 4 magnets and 4 of these double-sided tapes. I'll show you what exactly those magnets do when we get into the install. Looking right here, they do come disconnected, but all you got to do is just match it up, connect it. It's super simple, nothing too hard. And then right here, it doesn't come with batteries, so you are going to need to get your own. Each one takes 3, so you're going to need a total of 6 for both door sills. Once you have them in there, go ahead and close it up. Let me go ahead and turn them on just so you guys can see how they work. So there they are. And the cool thing about these is whenever you do close the door, you don't need to be turning on and off because the magnets are actually going to allow this to turn off on their own. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is, of course, get some alcohol. We're going to wipe down the surface really good. That way the door sill will bond to the paint. This is something similar as what we did onto my Tacoma with the tufskinz, which I would probably highly recommend getting tufskinz versus these. These I actually just got them for fun as a joke. I'm probably going to end up taking them off down the road, but I thought they were nice at the moment when I purchased them. That's why they're here. So down the road, I'm going to switch them out. Right here, there is also 3M tape. Let's go ahead and remove that, peel this off. Before you actually place it, make sure you find a good location where you're going to want to put these. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the on position. And that I've found kind of a spot where when the door is closed, the magnet will hit the trigger, so that way it shuts off right in this section. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it off really quick with some alcohol, of course. One of the little red ones. Take off the white, get one of the magnets, put this double-sided tape together. Make sure it's on there sturdy. Take off the opposite side, of course, the red one. And you want to go ahead and place it where you found was best. So after a bunch of tries, I finally got the magnet where it has to be, so that way this thing shuts off. So as you can tell, there's no one in the driver's seat. It is on, so when we close this door, it should shut off on its own. Let's try it out. So there it is. As you can tell, as long as you did put the actual magnet in the correct position, it should shut it off and turn it on whenever you open the door. So I'm gonna do it again. See it shut off. I'm gonna open it up and it turns back on. So as I stated, this would probably be something really cool if you have a luxurious vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the lights off really quick so you guys can see how it looks at night. But that's basically it. It's a super simple install, nothing too hard. Alright, you guys, so now that I showed you guys the install and I showed you guys at night how these bad boys look, of course I would recommend the tufskinz ones versus these. So if you guys do want to purchase them, I'll still link them down below. I wouldn't really recommend them, and they took forever to actually get here. Just when I did purchase them at the time, I thought they looked cool online, but now that they're here, I don't know about it. I wasn't going to post this video, but I found it might be helpful to someone out there, so that's why I posted it. Super easy to install. If you guys liked today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to stay tuned until Sunday's video because I'm going to be doing a Pedal Commander giveaway and install on the Jeep. And for the giveaway, the Pedal Commander is going to be for any vehicle. But as I stated, for the install, it's going to be on the Jeep. So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace.